Welcome to Manna Home Design, where small spaces are designed brilliantly. Here, we explore apartments that prove great design isn't about square footage, but about intention, creativity, and style. If you love smart layouts, timeless interiors, and real homes with personality, you're in the right place. Brilliant small space design. A Parisian-style 560 square foot Brooklyn apartment. This is a 560 square foot Brooklyn apartment, but nothing about it feels small. From Parisian elegance to clever small space design solutions, every inch here is working smarter and looking better. In today's video, we're touring a brilliant small space design inside a Parisian-style railroad apartment in Brooklyn, New York. This 560 SQ Ford home transforms classic New York apartment challenges into beautiful moments, through smart layout choices, layered decor, marble details, curated vintage finds, and thoughtful storage solutions. This is proof that a small apartment can feel elevated, personal, and timeless, when design is done with purpose. If you love brilliant small space design, hit subscribe for more smart layouts, timeless interiors, and beautifully designed apartments. Small space living room with vertical drama. This small space living room is the heart of the railroad apartment. A vintage fireplace becomes the focal point, instantly grounding the room with architectural character. An oversized mirror visually expands the space, while floor-to-ceiling shelves draw the eye upward. Curated art replaces excess furniture, and a framed TV is hidden behind curtains to preserve the romantic Parisian aesthetic. By choosing vertical drama, fewer statement pieces, and concealed technology, this living room feels expansive, elegant, and perfectly suited for compact apartment living. Small space kitchen with marble and compact island. This small space kitchen proves that even a narrow galley kitchen in a Brooklyn railroad apartment can feel elevated. Designed with Parisian influence, it balances renter-friendly upgrades with timeless materials and efficient layout planning. A single marble slab countertop is reused throughout the apartment, instantly creating visual cohesion. Brass hardware, compact cabinetry, and a vintage kitchen island with a marble top maximize function without overwhelming the limited square footage. By prioritizing material continuity and right-sized furniture, this small apartment kitchen feels refined, intentional, and far more spacious than its actual footprint. Small Space Breakfast Nook Vignette. In small space design, zoning is everything, and this Parisian breakfast nook is a perfect example. Tucked into a narrow Brooklyn apartment, it functions as both seating and storage without adding visual clutter. A built-in storage bench hides everyday essentials, while a round table improves circulation in tight quarters. A plug-in pendant light defines the zone, proving you don't need ceiling renovations to create architectural moments. This vignette shows how thoughtful proportions, layered lighting, and multifunctional furniture can turn a compact corner into one of the most inviting spaces in a small apartment. Small space bedroom nook separation. In a railroad apartment, the bedroom doesn't need to be large, it needs to be intentional. This small space bedroom nook prioritizes calm, privacy, and visual separation without walls. A softly painted arch frames the bed, while layered curtains create flexibility and light flow. Minimal furniture keeps the footprint light, reinforcing a restful atmosphere. This setup shows how architectural framing and textiles can define a bedroom zone, making small apartments feel organized and serene rather than overcrowded. Small space bathroom as jewel box. This small space bathroom is treated like a jewel box, compact, dramatic, and full of character. Instead of expanding the footprint, the design elevates every detail. Original tiles are preserved, while marble surfaces add luxury without excess. A vintage chandelier, ceiling medallion, and custom brass sconces introduce layered lighting in a tight layout. The result is a bathroom that feels intimate and refined, proving that even the smallest spaces deserve thoughtful, high-impact design. Small space dressing room with vertical storage. This small space dressing room challenges the idea that compact apartments need to stay light and neutral. Instead, deep blue-gray walls create intimacy and sophistication in a limited footprint. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes maximize vertical storage, while IKEA cabinets customized with brass knobs look high-end and intentional. Marble accents reused from the kitchen reinforce visual continuity throughout the apartment. By leaning into vertical design and bold color choices, this compact dressing room feels cozy, functional, and distinctly Parisian, proof that dark spaces can still work beautifully in small apartments. Small space storage and hidden function design. Storage is one of the biggest challenges in small New York City apartments, and this Parisian-inspired home solves it with creativity rather than clutter. Multifunctional storage benches, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, and layered curtains discreetly hide utilities, cleaning tools, and everyday necessities. Everything has a place, without being visually obvious. This approach to hidden storage keeps the apartment feeling calm and curated, proving that smart small space design is about concealment, not compromise. Final thought: a small space living philosophy. This Parisian-style railroad apartment shows that small space design is never about square footage, it's about intention, emotion, and flow. Repeated materials like marble and brass, layered curtains, and multifunctional furniture create visual harmony across the entire home. Every choice supports both beauty and efficiency. Ultimately, this small Brooklyn apartment proves that when a space is designed thoughtfully, it doesn't just look bigger, it feels like home. If this home inspired you, don't forget to subscribe. We share brilliant small space design, thoughtful apartment tours, and real homes that prove great design isn't about size, it's about intention. See you in the next space.